Welcome to Legacy Voice Studio. Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn how to talk on the stage without fear. Many people feel nervous when they have to speak in front of others. Their hands shake, their voice becomes low, and sometimes they forget what to say. But don't worry. With a few simple tips and practice, you can speak confidently on stage. First, prepare your speech well. Before going on stage, know what you want to say. Write down the important points and practice them. When you are prepared, your confidence will automatically increase. Second, practice speaking in front of a mirror or record yourself on your phone. This helps you understand how you look and how you speak. The more you practice, the more comfortable you will feel while speaking. Third, start with a simple greeting. When you go on stage, take a deep breath and begin with a smile. You can start like this. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak. This simple start helps you relax. Fourth, don't worry about making mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes while speaking. The important thing is to continue speaking confidently. People will focus on your message, not on small mistakes. Fifth, make eye contact with the audience. Look at different people in the audience while speaking. This makes you look confident and helps you connect with them. Another important tip is to speak slowly and clearly. Many people speak very fast when they are nervous. Try to slow down and pronounce your words clearly. Remember, confidence comes with practice. The more you speak, the less fear you will feel. Every great speaker was once nervous on stage. So practice every day, believe in yourself, and don't be afraid to speak. With time, you will become a confident speaker. Thank you for watching and keep improving your spoken English. Do subscribe to Legacy Voice Studio.